No Chris again.
Chris again. This again.
Jada, I love you. G.I. Jane 2, can't wait to see it.
Some gun sound, man. Clap.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you are check out the Chaddy TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. Big watch, song you're hearing in the background is from a dancehall, upcoming dancehall artist, Sing J, featuring Top God, Cuban We A Beat. And me are telling the people, them two artists here are Portland artists. Remember me tell you in the last review, say we are going to shed some light on the Portland artists, them. You know say Portland are my place, and them say a Cuban them a beat. I'm not telling a lie. For some upcoming dancehall artists, them a do it. It would sound like them out the long time.
Gamber with the Annie, but for real talks, what's up, confetti. Celebrate in the party with Shelly. Yo, blacks, one calling Jelly.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your B00m.
What a vibes.
Chaddy TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. B00m, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So because we have a lot to discuss in this review, me just go straight in at the topic. And me start out with the box there where Chris Rock get from Will. Now people, in case y'all live under a rock, the Oscars kept on Sunday. Chris Rock made a joke about Jada Pinkett, which is Chris Rock's wife.
Jada, I love you. G.I. Jane 2, can't wait to see it. All right?
Now that is a bald joke. Not a bad joke, but a bald joke. Now the photo on the right is a screenshot from the original G.I. Jane, and that's a movie from 1997. So when Chris Rock say,
Jada, I love you. G.I. Jane 2, can't wait to see it.
he was actually comparing Jada Pinkett to G.I. Jane. At first, me no know if Will Smith did find it funny, because him did a laugh.
G.I. Jane 2, can't wait to see it. All right?
But then again, probably him just feel embarrassed, because me know Jada Pinkett, she never find it funny, none at all. And people, why she don't find it funny and why Will Smith smack the shit out of Chris Rock is because Jada Pinkett actually suffer from a hair loss disease. So that not funny for her, none at all. This is what took place after.
Oh, wow. Wow. Will Smith just smacked the shit out of me.
We have a reaction from dancehall artist Mr. Lex. Now Mr. Lex tweeted and said, "Love Will and everything, but I wonder would he have done it to a white comedian? Stand up for her woman, I agree, but he could have dealt with it in a different manner, rather than embarrass a brother on national TV. Two wrongs don't make a right." Will fi publicly apologize. Our very own Jamaican comedian slash actor Owen Blacker Ellis also weighed in on the discussion. Mr. Ellis told the Jamaica Observer, "I am not here to make any pronouncement on the appropriateness of anyone's content. To each his own. It is, however, not something that I do personally. Instead, I make fun of me. I utilize that form of self-depreciating humor so I don't offend my audience. The last thing I want to do as a stand-up comedian is make my audience, who have paid to enjoy themselves, cringe. Yes, I am a comedian, but I'm also human. A man, a father, a Christian, so the personal must at some time affect the professional." And one more video me I go play before we move on. This video actually was sent to me by one of the community members. And if you have a topic where you want me review or a video you want me talk about, just shoot me a DM at I am DJ Chaddy on Instagram. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And for the Christian them we watch the video here now, no filter. I'm not cut out the bad with them. So listen at your own risk.
Will Smith is a bumbleclot bitch. Me no give a fuck when nobody wants say. You can't take the heat, get the fuck out the chin. Right, that's how you just blood clot the last night. You just sure say you don't have no love for black people. You discriminate from bumbleclot black people. Why would you box bumbleclot Chris Tucker when he running joke? If Jada Kiss can't take the blood clot joke, if Jada Kiss can't take the joke, get the fuck out the kitchen. Want to when Jada Kiss fuck by you with that like a young blood clot nigga. Nobody never say nothing about that, but you try pick up fear. Me agree with your wife, but motherfucker is a joke. Is a blood clot joke. You end up come up and box. Box your pussy clot. I should have me your box. Bumbo clot a gunshot in your face, pussy walk a suck your mama. And that me I try to tell you. Batty boy.
That was a little extra. Anyway, we moving on.
New clocks, let me get the arcade. Get me fresh like some just paid. Big bricks when I do the jump change. Link us figure get the sharp fade.
So people, last Sunday at Boom Sunday, B00m go up on stage and him talk some things. More than same drape up, boom boom and hype them. Him deal with them a way, but in a decent way. But him still drape them up and him talk some facts, in my opinion. So listen what B00m had to say.
Don't blame we, blame yourself. I want to know, man. When man bring dancehall song come good, don't play. Don't I want to area. When man bring dancehall song come good, don't play. When you play the trap dancehall. When you play the man, they may now come on no party, you know. And we were there, we did not play we. The man they were there, we did play them. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. And them a fuck up the music. But that's why you know still. The man them we are talk about, yo, me have a girl when and them man they only play everything.
So basically it look like say B00m got boom boom Sunday, yeah? And hype them and boom boom them now play him song. So him decided to go on stage and tell him a piece of mind. But my question is, do you agree with B00m? Because pan a big man level still, you know, in my opinion. B00m, you done your time, you know. So me no feel like say you fear go up on stage and a war with boom boom them or a war with no selector to play your song, bro. You're bigger than that. Remember say you are the self-proclaimed king of the dancehall. So right now, make the youth them do them thing. If them want to sing trap, clap, bop, wap, 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 make the youth them do them thing, my bro. Remember say, your time pass already. No disrespect to the elder. You know what I mean? But a new generation them time now. Probably we not really agree with what them a do, but try nurture them and hopefully them will find them way. You know what I mean? But let me know in the comment section what you think about this. So people, we are going to move on to the last topic of discussion. And we are going to discuss QQ and him brother IQ. I think or something like so them name. And before me even play this song, we just play a line out of the song. You tell me where you hear. You know what I mean? You can forward half of Chaddy TV, go over them page, go listen it, and tell me where you hear. But you see when you see B00m forward out and kind of bash the younger youth them and kind of speak out vocally, not necessarily bash. But a song like them here cause it. A song like them here make B00m I feel say what you must say. People, Alkaline do it back in the day and him get a beaten. So QQ and IQ or GQ or how much Q no one name. No feel no I escape that one here. People, tell me how the youth are really a sing about. Tell me what you hear.
Say she want to start rush show. Say she want me broke her road tonight, just be me one. I love her, me body, she just have her tongue and tour. What? I love her, me body, she just have her tongue and tour.
Move from here, so cause you're batty man, you shouldn't even come on site with that, the store.
Girl just want so too cocky, one time turn her in a pro.
So you're batty man, right? They say you're bow up, brother, you're stain.
Yuck. Chaja. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way, any other way, a the wrong way. My God.